Yeah, good morning, everyone. So yesterday we saw US market bouncing back after a sharp decline on Friday. Part of it got recovered yesterday. US market is now awaiting CPI inflation data, which is due tomorrow. So the expectation is that the month-on-month CPI inflation will increase by 0.2%. Last month also it has increased by 0.2%. But if we see the year-on-year figure, the inflation is likely to increase by 2.5% versus last one 2.9%. So which is coming very near to 2%. So that can influence decision on the interest rate cut, which is coming in the current month. So ahead of that event, we had seen some short covering after a sharp fall on Friday in the US market. Futures are more of a flattish, and Asian markets are also marginal positive uh, as compared to the sharp recovery in the US. The Asian markets are not so great positive. Whereas Indian market yesterday itself got some recovery, so may have some positive impact, but not to very large extent. India also is likely to see CPI in inflation data on Thursday, which is expected at 3.45% versus last month 3.54%. This will be consecutive second month below the target of 4%, so can have some influence on the rate decision. But RBI has earlier indicated that they are not looking for any rate cut immediately, but these data can influence some rate cut as the word over the rate cut is now moving on the lower side. So overall, what we see in the US, in the Indian market is likely to open positive, but likely to remain sideways. I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Yes, thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. Today, the market is likely to open on a positive note, and we are likely to witness some sideways momentum during the day. On the technical front, yesterday we have seen a very sharp bounce back rally from the 20 days moving average on the Nifty sides, and Nifty managed to maintain a positive closing above 24,900 levels, which gives some sort of a relief sign. Going ahead, as of now, the 25,000 will act as a crucial resistance levels. Any move upside on the closing basis will extend this rally towards to 25,070 to 25,150 levels, whereas the support is placed at around 24,850. Below that level, 24,770 can act as a very strong support levels. Coming towards the bank nifty, for today intraday purpose, the resistance is placed at around 51,640. Beyond that level, 52,000 can be tested. Whereas on a downside, the immediate support is placed at around 51,000 psychological mark. Below that level, the second support is placed at around 50,640. Coming towards the Fin Nifty, 23,870, 24,000 are the crucial resistance level, whereas the support is placed at around 23,640, 23,470. The overall view on the market is definitely positive since we are witnessing that both indices are taking a very strong supports of their averages and just showing some bounce back rally. But the profit bookings cannot be denied at the higher level, so one should maintain their long positions by maintaining the strict stop losses. That's it from my end. I request the Director team to take a call forward.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as we are seeing in the many days, the Nifty is maintaining the supportive base on the downside towards 25,000 to 24,800 mark. In yesterday's session, we have seen that the Nifty has reversed sharply from its supportive base of 24,800 level, due to which we have seen that the liquidation of call rider took place at the near strike of 25,100 and 25,200 strike. And against it, that we are seeing that at near to ATM strike, put rider position got added up. This is a positive sign for the market. We expect the range is again being created in the market. There is not trend clearance right now, but the range is intact for the market, due to which there is support for the stock to hold the long positions. On the downside, we are seeing the 24,800 strike, put rider position got added up heavily for this week of expiry. On the monthly basis, still we are seeing that at 25,000 mark, the put writer and call writer positions are intact. So till the point of time, the monthly positions of put writer and call writer positions are not get getting liquidated or shifted on the upside or downside level from the 25,000 mark. Till that point of time, we expect the market to remain in the range in near 25,000 levels. While PCROI again yesterday come near 0.96 level, 0.0 from 88 level. 0.88 was the initial support for the PCROI. In today's session, we expect PCR to shoot on upside towards 1.08 level. Once if PCR in today's session goes above 1.08 level, and at that point of time Nifty also goes about 25,100 level, then we expect another 200-300 points momentum on the Nifty front. But you can hold a long position with the support of 24,800 level on the closing basis. Once if Nifty goes below 24,800 level on the closing basis, then we expect the cautious momentum to 24,500 to 200 level. So as per current scenario on the data front, the market seems to be in the positive side, hold the long positions. The counter that looks positive in today's session will be from the FMCG front and the cement front. JK Cement looks positive, HUL and Godrej CP. This three counter looks positive in today's day of trading session. So that's it from the front. Thank you.
Good morning. HG Infra Engineering has secured 781 crores contract from Ministry of Road Transport and Highways for upgradation of NH47. So that's positive. Tata Power has commenced the production of solar cell at its plant, which is India's largest single location plant, having 4.3 gigawatt of solar cell and module manufacturing capacity in Tamil Nadu. Ahluwalia Contracts has received two contracts worth 1,300 crores from Signature Global for housing projects in Gurugram. Action Construction Equipment has received an order of 99 forklifts from Defense Ministry. Dixon Technologies has signed a MOU with HP India for manufacturing notebooks, desktops, and all-in-one PCs. So that's positive for Dixon. Thank you.
Good morning. On the IPO front, today PN Gadgil Jewellers Limited is opening and it is closing on 12th September. The price band is set at rupees 480 at upper end. The total issue is of rupees 1100 crore, which consists of fresh issue worth rupees 850 and offer for sale worth rupees 250 crore. The funds worth rupees 393 crore to be utilized towards the setting up of new 12 stores in Maharashtra, and around 300 crore would be utilized for the repayment of loan. PN Gadgil Jewellers is established in 2013 and it offers an extensive range of precious metal and jewelry products under its brand name of PNG. In terms of product mix, revenue from gold contributes 92% of its overall revenue. And when it comes to the presence, it has a prominent presence in the Maharashtra, where it operates around 38 stores across 18 cities and one store in United States. So in terms of the positives, the company has its own brand of PNG, which is in the market since 1832. And in terms of operational performance of the stores, it has seen that it is notably higher when compared with the other listed players. And also in terms of inventory days, it has improved a lot from around 80 days in FY22 to 51 days in FY24, which is well below when compared with the average of industry peers, which was at 134 days for FY24. In terms of operating margin, the company has reported 4.45% of EBITDA margin, which is lowest in the industry. The company is strategically looking to boost its profitability by focusing on leveraging economies of scale to reduce costs and enhancing its revenue share from studded jewelry sales. Also, overall marketing expenses are also to be maintained in the same range in the 0.6 to 0.7% of revenue. The company has been able to generate strong return ratios such as ROE of 28.9% and ROCE of 27.3% in FY24. And the issue is available at 42.2 times to FY24 EPS. And we believe it is available at discount when compared with the industry average of 70 times. So we have recommended subscribe to the issue. Thank you.
Yeah, apart from this, yesterday GST Council has reduced the rate for cancer drugs in pharma from 12% to 5%. So sentimentally positive for Abbott India, Zydus Life, Alchem Lab, and Cipla and Biocon. So no doubt, whatever the reduction in the duty will be passed on to the customer. So more of a sentimental positive. Whereas the GST Council has also reduced rate on the snacks making companies. Uh, on the snacks from 18% to 12%. So this will likely to have a positive impact on Pratap Snacks, Bikaji Snacks, and Gopal Snacks. So here, whatever the reduction is there, initially they have to pass it on to the consumer, but over a period, the pricing positiveness will be having for all these companies. So positive for these companies. Then Office Space Solution Company, which is into the giving office space for a lease uh, in different format as compared to direct lease. So there, what they had done is they sold their facility management business to some one of the other company, that is SMS Integrated Facility Services, for 27.5 crores. This will reduce burden of day-to-day managing of the property, and it's a more of outsourcing they will be doing now. And company will be focusing on their core business of increasing the office space, and that will have a positive impact on faster growth of the company. So positive for the Office Space Solutions Limited. That's all from us. Now request commodity team to take up from here. Anyone from commodity team is, I don't think no one is here in the team. So that's all from us. Thank you very much and have a good day.